You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you top 10 fast food business ideas that you can step in and make good money. Stick to the end of this video and you will not regret it. Before we begin, please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Number one is open a food kiosk. A food kiosk is more like a retail shop, but it is only on food, and there you can prepare your food at home and bring it there, like rice, beans, those things that people can easily stand around and eat, or buy, put it in a takeaway in a food flask and take it home. And you should site your business very close to a school, like close to a hostel where students are not allowed to cook. That way you're going to sell and make good money. Number two is open a health food store. In Nigeria here, there is a movement. People are getting more becoming more conscious of what they eat. So having a health food store, it will be very, very good, because you're going to make good money. You're going to attract certain kind of people that are learned, people that are aware, people that whose doctors might have told them not to eat this, not to eat that, and most of those things cannot be found elsewhere. So you get them and sell and make good money. So health food store is one business that is not rampant. It's an untapped area in food business. So if you step in, you are sure of making sales and good profit. Another one is hot sauce. This is one unique business that you can step in, and it's very, people love the hotness of it, and it's very, very lucrative, because you do it in your own way. You add your own creativity and make your business very fast and clean. So hot sauce business is one food business idea that you can step in and make good money. Number four is already made food. This business model talks about deals with you preparing the food and then supply to families already made. So you get connected to certain families that they don't have the time to cook, like some lecturers, doctors, lawyers who are always engaged. Already made food is one fast business that will put money in your pocket, because once you have up to 20 customers, at least 20 customers that you can supply food every day, you can imagine the profit. You're going to make money, and you prepare this at the comfort of your home. You're not disturbing anybody. You don't need to rent any shop, so you can deliver this food to their families, or at home, or take it to the office while the wife is returning. Is returning home with already made food for the family, and it's a very lucrative business. Number five is another unique type of fast food business that you can step in and make good money. This is a dietary food business. You can approach the hospitals and experts and have that connection with them. That way you are going to have direct contact with the customers, those that the doctors have given instructions not to eat certain types of food. So you can that way prepare their special unique food and supply them. So you can work hand in hand with hospitals and make good money. It's a very lucrative business, because most of them are in the hospital. They don't know the cost of buying those things that you bought. So that way you are going to give them the price from your own perspective and make profit. The sixth one is a unique one. It's not really like a food business. This is a mushroom business. This is one thing that people are ignoring, and it's so lucrative. You know that I have not seen one person that hates eating mushroom. Mushroom is recommended by medical doctors for everybody. So it's one thing that you can step in to mushroom production, and you make good profit, because you don't have a competitor. So where any business without competition, you are sure of making a lot of profit. So mushroom business is one business that you can step in, and make good money. Everything you need to know about mushroom is online. But if you desire that I should prepare a video on how to grow mushroom, comment below. The next business model we're going to look at is restaurant supply. Most restaurant owners don't have time to go to the market. So all you need to do is to approach those top restaurants in the city, and strike a deal with them to supply rice, garri, those things that they cannot access. You can go to the village, get some of those things, the vegetables, the garri stuffs, the tomato, all those things they need, and supply restaurants. And you are going to make good money, because you're not the one cooking. You are to just supply them, and fast cash. So restaurant supply is one business that is hot cake. because there are restaurant owners that need these things and they don't have the time to go out to buy them in the market. Number 8 is tea retail. Open a retail store that you only sell tea. People will just step in and have a cup of tea, hot cup of tea, hot cup of coffee, hot cup of Bonvita, whichever tea you want to prepare there, and you're going to make good money. You see, most of those northerners in Rivers State, they carry out this business and they are living well with it. Number 9 is noodle business. This is the type is very rampant in Nigeria, where most of the houses, prepare a place and prepare noodles like spaghetti, indomie, fry it for them, boil it for people, and they sell with eggs and a lot of things. People go there to buy. Have you asked yourself, why is it that they move from the north to this place just to carry out that business? If the business is not lucrative, they will not step in. So this is one business that you can start with low capital and make good profit. Finally, number 10, this is a very good business that you need to step in, and is baby food. Baby food business is one business that is very lucrative, because when parents have not eaten, their children must eat. So, and every parent desire to give the best to their child. So baby food is one business. If parents are aware that your store, your shop is where they will get their babies food at best, then everyone will key into your shop and make money to buy. So you're going to make a lot of money. So this is one business that you can step in and make good money. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and click on that notification bell. See you in our next video. Bye bye.